Are you looking for safe and reliable ways to generate income in retirement without exposing yourself to too much risk? If so, you've probably thought about investing in bonds for steady, predictable returns. Bonds can be a great option, but not all bonds are created equal. In this video, I'm going to break down how to invest in bonds for safe retirement income, and I'll share a little-known alternative that could better protect your wealth. Stick around until the end. This is important. Before diving into bonds, let me quickly mention something that could play a crucial role in securing your retirement: Gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below to get your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using Gold IRAs to protect their savings. Trust me, you don't want to miss this guide if you're looking for long-term security. Now back to bonds. Bonds are often seen as a safer investment compared to stocks, making them a popular choice for retirees who want consistent income without too much volatility. When you invest in bonds, you're essentially lending money to a government, municipality, or corporation in exchange for regular interest payments. These payments, known as coupon payments, are typically paid semi-annually, and at the end of the bond's term, you get your principal back. There are a few types of bonds to consider. U.S. Treasury bonds are among the safest because they're backed by the U.S. government. They offer lower yields, but they come with virtually no risk of default. Municipal bonds are issued by states or local governments and can be a good option if you're looking for tax-free income, especially for higher earners. Corporate bonds, on the other hand, can offer higher yields, but they come with more risk. The company issuing the bond could run into financial trouble, which means you might not get paid back. For retirees, I recommend sticking to investment-grade corporate bonds. These are issued by financially stable companies, making them a safer bet than junk bonds. But let's get real. While bonds are relatively safe, they don't always provide the best returns, especially with current interest rates being relatively low. In fact, in today's economic environment, many bondholders are finding that the income they're generating isn't keeping up with inflation. That's where Gold IRAs come in. Unlike bonds, which can lose value when inflation rises, Gold IRAs protect your wealth against inflation and market downturns. Gold has been a hedge against inflation for centuries, making it an ideal option if you want to safeguard your retirement savings. So, while bonds are a good tool for generating income, Gold IRAs might be the best way to secure your wealth in the long run. If you want to learn more about why Gold IRAs are becoming so popular among retirees, make sure to grab your free guide in the description. This could make a huge difference to your retirement strategy. When it comes to investing in bonds for safe retirement income, one of the key things to keep in mind is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your bond holdings by mixing different types of bonds, like government bonds, municipal bonds, and corporate bonds, can help minimize risk. But again, remember, if you have over 100K in your IRA or 401k, you might want to look into diversifying with a Gold IRA for added protection. It's also important to pay attention to the maturity of the bonds you're investing in. Long-term bonds can offer higher yields, but they can be more sensitive to interest rate changes. Short-term bonds are less sensitive to interest rate movements, but they generally offer lower yields. A good strategy might be to invest in a mix of both to balance risk and return. Another key aspect of bond investing is understanding the bond ratings. Bonds are rated by agencies like Standard & Poor's or Moody's. Investment-grade bonds, rated BBB or higher, are less risky, while junk bonds, rated below BBB, offer higher yields but come with more risk. For retirees looking for stability, investment-grade bonds are the way to go. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that if you're serious about protecting your wealth, a Gold IRA could be your best option. If you have at least 100K in your IRA or 401k, or even 5 plus in savings, Gold IRAs are becoming increasingly popular among American retirees looking for peace of mind. If you're ready to take the next step and secure your retirement, click the first link in the description for your free Gold IRA guide. This could make all the difference in your retirement strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.